Hi everyone, Anthony Raditic here, Sea-Doo Ambassador, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to upgrade your unit with the LinQ accessories. This is a LinQ Explorer bag. It is 100 liters, waterproof, and it'll pack all the gear that you'll ever need on your adventures. It is the largest LinQ bag that we have. The LinQ Explorer bag has 4 attachment points that will secure your gear to your ride. You stick it in and you twist it. That's all there is to it. Here we have the LinQ 51 liter cooler that we're going to be attaching for today. First thing we want to do is we want to raise up the LinQ anchor points. We're going to place the cooler on top of it, make sure it's lined out, and then we're going to lock out the tabs in the back. The nice part about this cooler is that it is 51 liters, which is extremely large capacity. It does come with drain plugs in the bottom for easy rinsing out. The top of the cooler has a nice anti-slip mat. It comes with the heavy-duty hinge points that get secured by rubber-lighted T-handles. And we do also have the molded rod holders that can also double up as umbrella holders or anything else. And the front pocket is phenomenal for your fishing lures and any other goodies that you might have.